A lot of gamers are using their headsets completely wrong. They aren't just plug and play. Today I will show you how to get the best sound from any gaming headset using the Razer BlackShark V3 Pro. By the end of this video, your headset will sound sharper, clearer and way more immersive, whether it's a budget $50 headset or a 200 plus pro model like this one. Hi guys, I'm Mark and welcome to the channel. In this video we will be diving into every fact you must know on how to optimize your gaming headset, from your EQ, mic settings, comfort and some advanced tricks. I will be using the BlackShark headset to demonstrate, but these tips will work for virtually any headset. Let's get started. First of all, setting up your shiny new gaming headset. Most companies market wireless headsets as their top product, but did you know wired headsets sound better and they have lower latency? Plus the battery never runs out and they weigh a lot less. With that in mind, test your wireless headset in wired mode to see if the quality improves. When you need to be away from your desk, simply unplug it. If you must go wireless, try to use a USB extension cable and position it underneath your desk. By fixing it with tape or a cable management clip, superglue can really make the clip stay fixed permanently. At this point it would be best to download any software used by the headset, as it will most likely contain drivers and many updates. Once that's done, we need to jump into the Windows sound settings to optimize this headset. On Windows 11, go to Settings, System, scroll down to Advanced, then More Sound Settings. A new, smaller white window will appear. In the Playback tab, make sure your headset is set as your default device, and in the Recording tab as well. Next, right click on the mouse and select Properties. In the Advanced tab, select the highest default format available. There are a few other settings that could potentially improve your headset sound. Definitely play around with them, but these settings are dependent on the individual headset. Now all that's done and dusted, the next step is to adjust your EQ settings. For this particular headset, we will find the EQ settings in Razer Snap software. Your headset will most likely have its own software, so check the manufacturer's website. I normally always apply the same general EQ settings to every headset I test as a baseline, and it instantly sounds better every time. My goal here is to make your in-game sounds more accurate and for you to be able to hear direction of enemy footsteps and gunfire in matches better than before. Understanding the frequency bands regarding FPS games is quite simple. For better enemy footstep audio, increase the mid to high frequencies and boost the treble, creating a curve like this. The 31 to 125 Hz range handles explosions like nades and close range gunfire, even off your own weapon. This will only increase immersion and it won't help you on the battlefield, although most headsets start out extremely flat, so adding a little bit of bass won't do too much harm. Too much will drown out enemy gunfire and footsteps. This is very bad and will directly counteract what we are trying to achieve. Also, you can activate THX audio, as it creates a more directional soundscape crucial for locating enemies, but you may find it overkill and choose to have a more balanced sound. Same for headsets that use Dolby Atmos. Now your headset is tweaked, do you notice a difference? Footsteps should be clearer, gunshots have directionality and explosions are less impactful and distracting. Small EQ settings or tweaks like this can completely transform your gameplay. A well-tuned headset will give you the ability to snap onto targets faster, greatly improving your reaction times and even cursor placement over potential yet to be revealed targets. Ever seen a pro stream CS2 or Valorant, then in game they just suddenly snap onto a target from behind or out of their field of view? Suddenly everyone screams hacks in the chat. I guarantee that was from an audio cue. Next up, your microphone. Even the best headsets in the world won't produce good audio to your listeners if it isn't set up correctly. Open up your headset software or your system's audio settings and adjust the gain so your voice is clear but not distorted. Enable noise cancellation to cut out background sounds and position the mic slightly off from the center of your mouth to avoid popping sounds. Now your teammates will actually be able to hear you clearly, which makes a huge difference in competitive games. If your headset gets uncomfortable while playing your favourite FPS game, adjust the headband so it's snug but not tight. Tilt the ear cups so they fully cover your ears without pinching. This is especially important for long gaming sessions. A comfortable fit keeps you focused and prevents fatigue. Right everyone, choosing to go wireless with a BlackShark doesn't always mean latency. The headset is nearly as fast as wired, but still not quite. In Snap software, you can toggle ultra low latency mode, giving you the fastest response time possible, as low as 10 milliseconds according to Razer. I'm not sure if this makes a huge difference in competitive shooters, as I might as well just plug the headset in to get the best latency. Okay everyone, I'm going to be testing out this BlackShark 2 in a real game, some live gameplay, just to show you how I use sound to locate enemies, whether it's footsteps or gunfire. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Okay everyone, let's just jump in. You're going to be listening to the microphone from the BlackShark version 3 Pro. I'm just going to get to cover. I just want to do some sound whoring and just show you. Ooh, so I can hear. Oh, so I can hear him. Yeah. So all of those kills there straight away were just from not necessarily this headset, but just good positional audio. So I can hear this guy up there. I don't know what he's doing. He's healing himself, I believe. Yeah. Okay guys, we are at some silos now. Water tankers. Nothing was really happening. It was just long range snipers. I managed to get a few. Yeah, you can really hear them along the silo because it's obviously round and they're having to run quite wide. Ah, look at him, look. Ah, that's not good, is it? So yeah guys, that was just a little live demonstration. I'm now on fire. Oh no, we're back. Yeah, I would like to get that guy up there if he's still up there. Bet he is. Oh, I can hear lots of gunfire going on everywhere. What are they doing? Crossplay's on. Oh, you gotta love crossplay. Oh no, there's a boat. Oh, I think I just got shot in the head then. So okay everyone, yeah, that's my little demonstration of what you've got to do to use a headset when you're in game to get positional audio and to work out where enemies are coming from. And you can do it in many situations, whether someone's shooting you from long range, medium range, close range, footsteps, tanks, explosions. It all gives you really good intel on where people are on the map. Okay everyone, to recap, I recommend adjusting your EQ settings, optimizing your microphone, making your headset fit comfortably, and taking advantage of the advanced features like the one I just mentioned, low latency mode. Apply these tips to your headset, whether it's the BlackShark Pro or any other model, it will sound dramatically better. I really hope this has helped someone out there. Comment down below which tip worked best for you and smash that like button and subscribe. My name's Mark from Silence Tech. Catch you in the next one.